So this is my first book, my 49+1 Experiments to Fall in Love with Myself. Hi everyone, we are here with our lovely author Harshpreet, and we are here to talk about self-love because Harshpreet's written a book, 49+1 Experiments to Fall in Love with Yourself. Self-love is one thing that a lot of people feel ki yaar, what is self-love? Can I love myself? What are the challenges I will have to love myself? In this discussion with Harshpreet, we are going to try and explore self-love, and we'll discuss about her book 49+1 Experiments to Fall in Love with Ourselves. So first of all, welcome Harshpreet.
Thank you.
And we are so happy that you took out time to be with us in between so many things going around.
Thank you. It's always pleasure to be with you guys.
It is so good because I always feel Harsh और हमारी वाइफ एकदम मस्त मैच करती है, वो आती है and we feel so happy to have her around. So Harsh, what would you like to tell our readers about self-love and our book?
Self-love is first of all, whenever you are trying to focus on loving yourself, it is more like you do not realize that where you are going wrong. So like when I began my journey, it was a stark realization that I had that okay, something is wrong that I am doing because I am focusing more on what others are talking about me and not what I would prefer for me. So that is what self-love should be about, and it should not always be about that, you know, being a little selfish, because nowadays self-love is being misunderstood as ki, no, I am doing it for myself because I love myself, so I can hurt others also. But something like that should not be there, I feel. It should always be about, if you are loving yourself, it should be that you are giving love to others as well.
Yes, very true. It's a very beautiful thing that you said, that people misunderstand self-love as being selfish.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
That's the difference that is going on today.
True, absolutely. So when we talk about experiments to fall in love with myself, what were your experiments and what would you like to suggest our readers that, you know, this is what worked out for you?
Something that I focused on was I started writing down things, that what happened with me today in the entire day. I took that person's comment on my mind, and was that actually necessary to happen?
Yes.
Because I was not very, you know, taken aback by that, but also that stood there in my mind. So was it really necessary for me to actually ponder upon that utna, kyunki that person doesn't really know my struggle. So that writing the journal throughout was actually helpful, and something that I tried to focus more on was meditation throughout, because whatever is going on around, it actually you know, impacts you a lot in your daily life. So that is what I focused on, that I do not have to go on that path again. So it was really not very easy to unlearn what I had been conditioned throughout, but it took time, but it eventually worked out.
Absolutely. You know, one very interesting thing about the book is we met in May when you had the launch, and then I heard you speak about the launch and the book. While going back, you know, for another trip, I was reading the book on the journey, and I think at that moment I was feeling a little lost about a couple of things, that, you know, why are people judging me on things which are absolutely right? Why is it that, you know, I am getting impacted because of it? So there was this one part in the book, I think chapter 11 or 12 in the back part, when I had actually this one. So I actually read this and it helped me, silencing the inner critic. And it really helped me in silencing the other critics more than the inner critic. So that is something that I feel is very beautiful about the book, that when you are feeling a little lost, see, everyone has moments. We're not always the Superman in us. There are moments we feel good about ourselves. There are moments we feel a little lost about ourselves.
This happened recently only. I was suggested you should go and read your own book because now you're lost. You should go and read your own book. Now you will realize where you are going wrong.
Absolutely. And I think that is when the book brings us on the right track.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people talk about toxic positivity कि हमेशा positive रहो, वो तो नहीं हो सकता. So I think it's important कि ठीक है, आपकी journey जैसे भी जा रही है, it's important to get back.
Yes.
And I personally feel that this book has the power to get you back. And Harshpreet, on that note, would you like to read something from the book?
Sure, I would read some lines that I had written. When the morning that was there, when I realized the change has finally come.
Yes.
उस सुबह में कुछ अलग था, एक अपनापन था, एक खुशी थी, एक हंसी थी, एक प्यार था पर खुद से, आईने में देखकर खुशी थी पर अपने लिए। उस दिन अपने आप से प्यार तक का एक सफ़र तय कर लिया था, क्योंकि इस सोसाइटी ने हमेशा एक ही चीज़ सिखाई है, ये आईना तुमसे कभी प्यार नहीं कर सकता। ये सफ़र था उस आईने से प्यार करने का, उस आईने में अपने आप से प्यार करने का। So this is where
Beautiful.
I realized that yes, now I have fallen in love with myself.
That's so beautiful. So you know, when we say कि वो आईना हमसे प्यार नहीं कर सकता, ये बड़ी प्यारी चीज़ है कि वो आईना ही तो सबसे पहले प्यार करना चाहिए हमें. So that's beautifully said, Harsh. And also, would you like to give any tips to our readers as to if they are going through a low phase, like we were discussing about ourselves right now, if they are going through a little low phase in life, उन्हें क्या 3 चीज़ें आप बोलोगे कि अभी करनी चाहिए? Not like a cheat sheet नहीं है, but any suggestions from your end?
You know what I can suggest, what works for me, I can suggest more on that.
Perfect.
So, you know, if you are feeling a little lost or low, go and have a trip and go or sit in any spiritual place that you believe in.
Yes.
I visit a Gurdwara because I feel that connection,
Absolutely.
spiritual connection. So I visit there and I sit for long hours. That works for me. Otherwise, just sit in your room alone, all alone, and think what is going wrong, or just sometimes just watch a movie and be with yourself.
Right, right. So absolutely, I think these are some really interesting things that you can do. And because Harsh is really humble, she doesn't talk about the achievements that she has received. I actually want you to tell us about the award that you received recently.
So it was about women's achievements. So I had gotten a mail that I have to nominate myself, and I sent my entire portfolio that I had. So then I received a mail that you have been nominated for this award and you are receiving this. So it was like really a proud moment. When they took the interview, I could actually see the journey that I have come through from school life when I started writing and till now. So it's actually a big change in the life.
Absolutely, absolutely. And just to tell you all, I asked her कि दे दो, I will post. She's like, नहीं कोई बात नहीं है, that's okay. So that's why I put you in that awkward spot कि अभी तो बताना ही पड़ेगा. But many congratulations on that. I think your personality adds to who you are, and it adds to the achievements that you have. I have been telling you that the book has been performing extremely well in the book fair. People have been picking up because I am so glad people prioritize self-love. That is a very beautiful thing. That's something that I have been observing. And if you would like to read the book, you can go and check it out on Amazon and Flipkart. Our book is there. You'll get to see life from a different perspective. That's my word to you. On that note, Harsh, thank you so much for being a part of this discussion. Always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you for inviting me, and I have to give a message from my end that I could not during the book launch. It was a pleasure throughout this journey because I was not ready that will I be able to publish this book or not. But since day one, you were there till the end, till now. Even I can just message you about anything.
Yes.
And it's always a pleasure to be around you all.
Thank you. Likewise, that's absolutely a mutual feeling that I have. Thank you so much, Harsh, for being around. We have a little gift for you before we wrap up this discussion.
Thank you.
Officially putting the author's cap.
Thank you.